Hey guys, my name is Rai and welcome to my channel. For today's video ay pag-uusapan naman natin ay para sa mga non-education graduates na gustong kumuha ng Certificate in Teaching or Certificate in Professional Teaching or Diploma in Teaching. So, ano nga ba yung posibleng maging major nyo kung non-education graduates kayo? So, yung area of specialization na yan ay binibigay yan ni PRC. Hindi kayo mismo ang pwedeng pumili kung ano yung gusto nyong hawakan na major subjects or major or area of specialization nyo kung kayo ay non-education graduates. So, si PRC or yung Professional Regulation Commission mismo ang magbibigay ng specialization nyo. So, I have here a list from PRC ng mga major subjects or area of specialization, and medyo mahaba-haba ito, kaya ang if possible na hindi umabot yung video natin for today, gagawin ko ito ng part 2 para may pagpatuloy ko or may continue ko yung mga nasa list ng mga courses kung saan nakapabilang yung subject area or sa area of specialization na ituturo nyo. So, para nga pala sa mga non-education graduates, you need to take up first the Certificate in Teaching or Teaching Certificate or Diploma in Teaching. So, nagkakaiba lang yan or nagkakatalo, depende kung saan school kayo mag-enroll ng education units nyo or mag-earn ng education units nyo. So, according to PRC, yung mga graduate ng Bachelor in Environmental Hygiene, Bachelor in Environmental Science, BS in Animal Health and Management, BS in Animal Husbandry, BS in Botany, BS in Forestry, BS in Marine Biology, BS in Medical Technology, BS in Nursing, BS in Nutrition and Dietetics, BS in Occupational Therapy, BS in Optometry, BS in Pharmacy, BS in Physical Therapy, BS in Psychology, BS in Radiologic Technology, BS in Veterinary Science, BS in Zoology, at na Doctor of Dental Medicine. Ang ibibigay sa inyo ni PRC na magiging major subjects or area of specialization nyo ay Biological Science. So, para naman sa mga graduate ng BS in Chemistry or BS in Physics, BS in Nutrition and Dietetics, BS in Food Technology, and Doctor of Optometry, ang ibibigay naman ni PRC sa inyo na inyong area of specialization ay Physical Science or Physical Sciences. Para naman sa mga graduate ng Bachelor of Arts in Statistics, BS in Aeronautical Engineering, BS in Agricultural Engineering, BS in Applied Mathematics, BS in Automotive Engineering, BS in Chemical Engineering, BS in Civil Engineering, BS in Computer Engineering, BS in Electrical Engineering, BS in Electronics and Communications Engineering, BS in Geodetic Engineering, BS in Industrial Engineering, BS in Marine Engineering, BS in Mechanical Engineering, BS in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering, at BS in Sanitary Engineering. Ang area of specialization na ibibigay sa inyo ni PRC ay Mathematics. So, para naman sa mga graduate ng BA in Development Communication, Bachelor of Arts in Literature, BS in Mass Communication, and AB Journalism, ang area of specialization naman na ibibigay sa inyo ni PRC ay English. Para naman sa mga graduate ng Bachelor in Industrial Technology, Bachelor of Arts in Audiovisual Communication, Bachelor of Arts in Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Computer Technology, Bachelor of the Teacher Technician Education, Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, Bachelor of Technology Teaching Education, BS in Agribusiness,